we'll guide you through how to use the smudge tool in Krita, a fantastic feature for creating smooth transitions and blending colors. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and make sure you have a canvas ready to work on. Once your canvas is up, look over to the left side of your screen where the toolbar is located. Find the smudge tool, which looks like a finger icon, and click on it. This tool allows you to smudge and blend colors directly on your canvas, giving you that painterly effect. Now, before you start smudging, you may want to adjust the settings to suit your needs. Head over to the top of the window and you'll see the Tool Options panel. Here you can customize the size and strength of the smudge effect. A larger size will cover more area, while a higher strength will make the smudge effect more pronounced. You can also experiment with different brushes to see which one works best for your artwork. Simply click on the brush icon and select from the available options. Now, with your settings adjusted, go ahead and click and drag on your canvas where you want to blend colors. You'll notice how the colors start to merge seamlessly as you move the smudge tool across them. This is particularly useful for creating soft shadows or blending two colors together. If you make a mistake or want to try a different approach, don't worry, you can always undo your action by pressing Ctrl-Z. As a tip, try using smudging in layers. Duplicate your original layer, then work on a copy so you can always go back if needed. This non-destructive method allows for more flexibility in your art process. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different settings and brushes until you find what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.